If you have been diligently working on your inner self every day, but recently felt stuck, confused, or discouraged, welcome back to the Daily Wisdom Practice. We are on day 25 of our 30-day journey. Hit that like button right now. Today, we are answering our community's biggest questions to help you achieve your final breakthrough. Subscribe to stay connected with this practice, and let's begin. Let's be completely honest with each other. Mindfulness isn't always a smooth and peaceful ride. When you first start repeating specific phrases or drinking blue solar water, it feels wonderful. But by the fourth week, many practitioners begin to feel a sense of resistance. They look at their lives and think, I am clearing my mind every day. Yet my problems have suddenly intensified, or there is so much noise in my head right now that I feel like giving up on everything. If that happens to you right now, I want you to take a slow, deep breath. You aren't doing anything wrong. In fact, this is a sure sign that your practice has finally reached the deepest layers of your inner data. Have you ever thought that why does life sometimes get harder right when you start healing? Think of your subconscious mind like an old, dusty carpet. If you want to clean it, you can't just leave it sitting there. You have to take it outside and beat it with a stick. When you do that, a massive, dense cloud of dust flies into the air. It looks messy, it makes you cough, and it feels worse than before. But the dust isn't new. It's the old dirt, finally leaving the fabric. This temporary chaos you are experiencing is the dust of your subconscious mind being released from your soul. If you stop the cleansing process now, that dust will simply settle back where it came from. You must continue this process until you reach the state of zero. Let us clean on the feelings of frustration, doubt, and impatience today. Let go of the need for this practice to look or feel perfect. Gently speak these words to your soul. I am sorry for doubting the healing process. I am sorry for letting my impatience take over. Please forgive me for expecting instant results. Thank you for showing me this hidden layer of resistance so that I can finally delete it. I love you, my soul. I trust this cleaning process. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The messy middle is exactly where real transformation happens. Your challenge today is simple. Keep cleaning, especially if you feel like it's not working. Comment, "I trust the process" below to signal your absolute commitment to your inner child. Share this video with a fellow seeker who might be on the verge of giving up on their goals. Subscribe for day 26. I love you, I thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.